Isaiah's working on the last holdout of cars that aren't running. We have the 3-rotor engine assembled. The block itself is all assembled. We have one major issue. This is a stock manifold, which has primary and secondary runners. We have a third hole.
That's all it
Yes,
is.
I knew. Guys, we're trying to be more professional. I could hear Isaiah saying it before it was said.
Can you take that guy out for me?
Yeah.
We're gonna double team this third hole. Oh yeah.
Oh, there we go. And there you see the problem. Primary holes, secondary, and rotors right in there. Those are the semi-peripheral holes that we now need to make runners for. So the air comes through. You can actually see right here, the air comes through these. We need to get a hole here and air from up here.
Wow, bro, it's so small. All of these are ported now. We will have to port match all of these. You see how small that guy is, and you see how big this guy is?
This is the first time Isaiah's using the trick I just taught him. How to make an impression on the gasket. That's the actual OEM gasket.
Metal on metal makes a nice impression.
Using the gasket to transplant the issue here onto the other side. This looks very difficult.
That's okay, I got like 5 more in my drawer.
I feel like there's a pattern. I'm not seeing what the pattern is, what your art, but there's something to this.
Just stay tuned. You lay that guy over.
Oh wow, that tungsten's not moving for shit.
That tungsten's strong as hell.
Yeah.
That little line. I didn't do enough right there. This thing, it cuts. Whoa. And we need to make holes. And yeah, we're just trying to stay inside the lines.
I appreciate you doing this. There you go. Oh. Ooh, that was...
A circle is a circle, right?
That's right. You're getting it correct.
Boom. This is slightly smaller.
We don't know where they're at.
So, it's smaller for the moment, but once I turn on the compressor, I'll be able to port this out perfectly to that.
So the closest one to me is...
Oh, no. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. The glory hole.
That's... We're about to make me act up.
Yeah, it's glorious that we cut this hole through. That's all, Isaiah. Jeez, relax. Yeah, so in this middle one, on the outside edge, there's actually a whole container. It's like for exhaust gas and shit like that. It's not part of the runners that we have to deal with. Boring stuff. Well, Keeps has been a wonderful partner in helping bring back the 3-rotor. They've also been a phenomenal partner in keeping my hairline. I have no shame for that pun because you know what? By this age, around 35, 2 out of every 3 men will experience some sort of male pattern baldness, and that's where Keeps excels. I can focus on this while they focus on taking care of my hair. Using Keeps to prevent hair loss is straightforward and relatively inexpensive. Unlike keeping the registration on El Lamborghini Diablo, it is neither of those. Everything can be done online. You have a variety of options, and it's straightforward. It takes the uncertainty, the doubt, and the fear all right out of the process, and you know what tools you have capable to combat hair loss. If you're interested in taking 50% off of your first order, go to keeps.com/RobDahm to sign up. That is keeps.com/RobDahm.
And this is so big.
That's so, yeah, that's just...
It's just, I mean, you should get in there. So you use a hammer, Rob.
That was impressive. You drew the line where you were going to break off.
You're finest billet man right here. I feel like I was Iron Man. Like it was like...
Well, Isaiah handled all of that a little quicker than I was expecting. So I was just rushing to catch up to him. He went and cut all of the EGR system out. You really see how thin certain parts of the manifold are. And I don't mean that in a bad way. You just think it's this solid chunk of aluminum, and it's not. Yeah, that's how thin it is. All 6 of the runners. It makes much more clear sense as to what's going on here. The fatter ones are all of the ones that are secondaries. Take from those and drop into the hole here. From here, drop into the hole there. And from this one, drop into the hole here. It really won't make much of a measurable difference is the fact that, okay, this last bend, it's going to go straight into the semi-peripheral port. If you really think about it, the manifold doesn't change the total size up here. So it doesn't change the amount of air coming into the throttle body. It doesn't change the amount of air going through each of the runners. It does change it down here. So I'm really curious to see how much of an effect that has on the motor.
It's going to be a tube into here so we get that nice injector. Can you see? Injector flows. So now I have to build up material right here, build up material right here, so that way it's all flat. And I got to resurface it. And there you go. Material built up. Now I just have to resurface the whole flange. This one is that one.
Nice.
This one is this one.
Nice.
And this one is that one.
Oh, that looks so
Yeah,
good.
they cut them back. And obviously we're gonna leave the aluminum shavings in there because that worked for us well before.
All 3 holes are in line.
Hey.
Hey.
Tried to pull material from here up to here at the same time so that way it could have like enough meat and be able to like retain the heat.
Yeah. Ooh.
They're looking like crap.
Okay, yeah, sure. It looks like crap, right? It's all sealed.
I think I'm gonna plate this one because I have to plate that. So I think I'm gonna just plate right there, plate right there.
Boost is not leaking out of there. So he's currently filling in spaces that just need more weld because they're not going flat. What a difference. Oh, yes. Oh, there she is. Not only is it semi-P, it's also port matched to the...
Oh, yes. Yeah, also ports matched because it was like probably about a 1/2 inch difference. But
Damn.
how much light just gets to there?
Yeah, that's the voice of God coming straight from the injector. Oh.
But what's cool is that you can like see each like dot. Oh well, do you see that?
Oh yeah, yeah.
They're like inconsistent, like they're not the same material, but
Yeah. Oh yeah. There you go. You can see the dots.
freshly surfaced. So this will be flat and sealed.
Put it on the table. You got to show them. You got to show them. Let's hear it not rock. Nope.
I mean, it is certified flat, you know.
Yeah. You put too many syllables. Certiflat.